video. Okay, the first thing you're gonna want to do is go to your Minecraft launcher, open it, and you're gonna want to run the version that you're gonna install Forge for, which is gonna be 1.8.9 for me, but it might be a different one for you. And I just made a new installation, so I'll show you how to do it right now. You can do this easily. So press new installations, go all the way to the version that you want to download Forge for, which is going to be 1.8.9 for me, and then I'm going to call it 1.8.9. Alright, and then you can add more RAM if you wanted to, but I'm not going to do that because 2 is enough for me. And we're going to want to go to the play button right here, go to that, and 1.8.9 is right there, and play that version. And then this little pop-up menu should come, and we're going to wait for this to go. Alright, as you can see, it went, and now we can quit this game. You have to do that before you start downloading Forge, which is okay. Okay, and now we're gonna get on to downloading Forge. Okay, so I'm gonna leave links in the description to the page that I'm gonna go to, and it's gonna be called Forge 1.8.9, and then it will bring you to the page that I'm gonna go to right now, which is gonna be Forge 1.8.9, and go to downloads, and it should be pop up right here. And the link is going to be in the description, as I said before. And download recommended, not latest. Don't do the recommended. Don't do the latest. Sorry, excuse me. And now go to installer. Make sure you're on the right version that you just ran Minecraft off of. And before we do this, actually, you're going to want to do one thing. Before you do this, press that button. You're going to want to download Java. Okay, so you're going to need Java to do this. And if you do not, everything's going to go terribly wrong. And it's going to be the second link in the description. So it will say Java, it will say Java download, and it will bring you to this page where you're going to want to go to, okay, so I'm going to clear this all out for you guys so you're not confused or anything. So the first link down there is going to be a Forge download. It's going to be called that. And the second link down there is going to be called Java download. And there you go, and it will bring the Java download link will bring you to here, where you're going to want to press on Java download and press agree and start free download. And I'm not going to do this with you, but I do have a video on how to do this, so I'm going to leave that in the description as well. So go click on that. It will say how to download and install Java download. So it will say that. I already made a video on it, so go do that and then come back to this video, and then you can do it. But here we are, and I already installed Java, so you do need Java to do this, so make sure you did that. And we can X that out, and now we can install Forge, which is the main purpose of this video. And we're going to do that. So we're going to press installer, and once this goes, you're going to press skip, and then save it to wherever you want. I'm going to save it to there, and it should pop up right here. And if it didn't show up as a Java file, or a .jar file, I'm going to show you how to fix that right now. So you're going to want to go to control panel. If it didn't show up as a jar file, then you're going to want to fix that. So we're going to go to control panel. Then we're going to press open, and it should bring us to here, where you're going to want to go to programs, then go to programs and features, and go to the search bar right here and search up Java. And if Java comes up right here, that means you're all set, and well, that doesn't mean you're all set. We're just making sure that you have Java in there. And if you do not have this right here, that means you have to go download Java. Don't try to cheat this whole thing. This is a good process that you need to do, and if you don't do it, you're not going to be able to have that. And now we're going to have to go back to our programs, our control panel programs, and go to default programs. Press on that. Go to the second one down. Associated files by typical, and with that stuff, and just go, and it will bring you to this page where you're going to want to go down to choose default apps as file type, and this will load. I'm going to let this load. Okay, it loaded. Now we're going to want to go all the way down to .jar. Okay, so that took me about 10 seconds to do, but it might take longer for you. Just wait. Okay, but we're gonna go down to .jar. So .j, go to J's right there. So here are the J's, and it says .jar. And if this says WinRAR archiver, then you're gonna want to click on it and click to the Java TM. You're gonna want to click on Java TM platform SC binary, because if you don't do that, you're not gonna have any files, and then you should be good to go. So if you didn't have that process and it didn't look like a jar file, that means it didn't work. But it worked for me, so there we go. And now we can go to here, and we can put it right there. So now we can go back and we can install this into our PC, which we're gonna want to do. All right, so we're gonna want to go like this. We're gonna double click on it. All right, it went, and it says install client. So we're gonna want to press on install client, press OK, and it says complete, successfully installed client profile Forge for version Forge 1.8.9, and we're gonna press OK to that. And now we're gonna you can delete this file. It's just a bunch of dialogue things, and we can empty our folder after that, and you should be good. And keep this file just for safety. I mean, you don't really have to keep it, but I figured keep it, why not? And now we can go into our thing, and it popped up automatically for me. But what you're gonna want to do, if you do not have this right here, you're gonna want to go to installations, go to new installations, go to this little search bar right here, and it might be at the top, or it might be at the way bottom, or in the middle, but it says release Forge 1.8.9. So we're gonna want to go to that and call this one Forge 1.8.9, and there you go. And we're gonna press create, and it says created, so we're gonna press play, and it says Forge 1.8.9 right there, and we're gonna want to play this, and I'm gonna show you how good it works. Okay, so here we go. Okay, it says constructing mods and stuff like that. It's gonna construct your mods folder, which I wanted to do before we install a mod, but we're not going to do that in this video. If you do want to watch a video on how to do that, I'm going to leave a link in the description on how to put mods into your mods folder, or in other ways you could say that, how to get mods for Minecraft. But here it is, and I'm going to show you that you have a mods folder right here, and it's great to have. If you don't have mods, well, you're not going to have anything in here. But I have created the mods folder, and I can go into like multiplayer and play with mods. But the main reason probably you wanted to install Forge is probably to get Optifine. And I'm going to leave a video in the description on how to get that. So there you go, and you can go to that video right there. But thanks for watching, guys. I hope you subscribed and liked this video, because if you do, it really does help. It does help. Please just do it. Also, press that join button right next to the subscribe button. And thanks for watching, guys. Please, thank you for actually ending this video. But over and out.